What up, great people? It's your favorite rope guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn the 360 jump rope trick. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick or workout to be fit, hit that subscribe button and turn on notification. So this trick is kind of technical, it's an advanced trick, so you have to listen very well to get the mechanics and start nailing this move like the boss you are. So let me show you how it looks and we'll get into it. That's a regular 360. To nail this move, I'm going to show you the basic steps and the mechanics you need to learn to nail this move like the boss you are. So, from this position, swing, then you come in. Why I swing to my left is because my left side is the less dominant side of my body. So I'm swinging to my left to learn it before in due time I'll gradually incorporate with my right side. So learning this trick is better you do it to both sides so that you can easily go into this, come back, and this and come back. Let me show you what I mean. So from here I can go like this, then like this as well. Don't mind my moves, it's kind of whack. So what you basically do here is from this position, right, you swing and you jump. It's kind of simple. Make sure you're jumping when you're 180 turn. So as you're taking the rope this way, you're already making your turn, like you're changing your position, trying to create that, initiate that rotation to your 180. So from this position we move 180 turn and we jump. Let's try that again, like 2 more times before we change. That's one. From this position, I move, jump. Now, the tricky part of this move is when you like end the 360. You know this is a continuous kind of 360, like you move into the 360, then you like coming back and continue your basic bounce or boxer skip like this. So if I'm from the boxer skip and I move, I come in back and continue my jump. So watch carefully how I end the move. I don't just swing then come back in. I like moving. Immediately I'm coming back, I'm always jumping through the rope. So let's go to our 180, then we turn into the move. Let's try that one more time and see. 180, turn into the move. Simple, but it seems ending the move is kind of more tricky. So how I'm going to explain it to you is that one you have to notice, always try to maintain your hands at your waist region so that you can easily rotate your wrist, and your grip to the rope this time is supposed to be flexible, like not super tight. You grip the rope super flexible so you can easily rotate your wrist outward. So let me see if I can do it slowly for you guys. I go jump. Oh, that was a trip. Let me do it again. One, I go jump and in, I enter. So let me try that again. Jump, in and enter. So remember, you notice I don't raise up my hands. I make sure I keep them low as possible. That way I can jump in without tripping on the rope. Oh, I'm running out of breath, man. So that's basically it. What you do, remember, when you're turning back, your hands are low and you're kind of opening wide your hands so that you can jump through the rope without tripping. That's like the most tricky part of this move. So let's try that one more time. 1, 2, and I go back to the other side. You see how I'm moving, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. So make sure you keep your wrist and your rotation as low as possible. If you move it upward, you're definitely going to trip on this. So which part of this move do you need to work on? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Your support has taken us this far and we are really happy to have you. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your loved one, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and turn on notification to catch up with our new content. Until next time, remain beautiful, handsome, be fit, and most importantly,
stay healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.